time to develop an exit strategy. So, let me ask you a question. Would you rather abandon ship, or would you have a meltdown? It's it's one of those things that we have to ponder over because a lot of folks don't want to feel like they want to give up. Well, don't think of it this way. Think of it in terms of when something goes horribly wrong and you can't handle it, then I believe that that's important to abandon ship than to have a meltdown over it. You see, meltdowns are not good. They're humiliating, they're damaging, and they're no fun. So it's okay to abandon ship in order to protect yourself and to protect others. It's okay to set limitations for yourself. So come up with an exit strategy and prevent those meltdowns from happening. Yeah, I know you can do it, and it may be difficult at first, but it may be easy as it seems. So give it a try.